Hi everyone, today I'll be doing a walkthrough and showing you this well-presented unit at number 6/1-5 Kitchener Avenue, Regents Park. Through the entrance, we are led into an open plan lounge, dining and kitchen area. The property consists of carpet throughout, as well as an intercom system and a smoke alarm being provided in this area. In the open plan kitchen, we are provided with a sink with 2 disposal units, gas stovetop, an oven, and a fridge space. Also in this area, there is an exit door leading to the balcony. Tiled flooring, and a covered area. Following through, there is also an internal laundry consisting of tiled walls, tiled flooring, taps for a washing machine, and an internal toilet. With the unit being split level, the property also provides stairs. Leading to the upstairs section, in which there is also a smoke alarm. To the left here, we have our first bedroom, also consisting of carpet flooring, a built-in with 2 mirror doors, and also an exit to the second balcony. Following through, we have the second bedroom. Second bedroom also consisting of carpet flooring, a large built-in with 3 mirror doors, and also an exit to the balcony. Upstairs, we also have the bathroom, tiled flooring and tiled walls. One shower with clear screen doors and a bath. If this is the ideal unit for you, please contact First National Chester Hill and organise a private appointment to view the property.